What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brent and I are currently getting over being sick, so I don't have that much energy today. Anyways, this is also going to be a little bit smaller of a cash stuffing. We're gonna go ahead and start with my wallet, but first we're gonna count this. Okay, so we got 100, 200, 300, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5. I just want cereal. That's all I want. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we're at 580. 5, 10, what? 85, 90, 95, 600, 5, 10, and 15. So we're cash stuffing $615 today. Oof. So let's see what is left in my wallet. Yesterday was payday, but I need to get this all stuffed. Okay, groceries leftover had 5 in it. And then gas actually, okay, so you guys know that I was driving my grandma's car. Oh, the 10's gone. Okay, so we've still got 40 in there. You guys know I was driving my grandma's car, and that one started having troubles with the steering, so they had to come get it and swap me out cars again. And the car that they brought me had enough gas in it to last me till payday, so I didn't actually have to spend that, which is kind of nice. I'm just gonna roll that over because I feel like you can't ever have enough gas money. Okay, so when I came in here I was freezing. Now I'm sweating. Let me take my blanket off. Oh my gosh, dripping sweat. Okay, cool. I had a really high fever last night. And not really high, it was 102 is kind of high, but whatever. We're gonna start with groceries here. Groceries is getting its usual 150. Okay, so we got 50, 50, 2 20s, and 2 5s. So we got 100, 120, 140, 45, and 50. And then I'm just gonna roll that other 5 over, so it actually has 155. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I hope you had a good weekend. If you did anything fun, let me know down below. And then gas is getting its usual 40, even though there's already 40 in here. So now we've got $80. I don't think I've ever had that much gas money in my envelope. I like it though. Eating out is actually getting 40 as well. You guys, when I started recording this video, it was far too quiet in here. I told Brent he had to turn the TV on or something. Spending is getting 15. Sometimes I can't tell if these are zipped or unzipped. I'm so hungry. I hope this isn't an absolutely boring video for you guys to watch. I just feel like so crummy. Miscellaneous is getting 10, and that's 2 5s. And then the change for the 2 weeks. Whoa. I kind of want a new wallet though. Oh, Zena's trying to get in here. Okay. So there's my wallet. high priority. You guys already know the drill. And rent, or bills, I mean. So rent is getting $125. So this should be it, right? Okay. So we got 1, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, what? 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 500. Yeah, wonderful. And then water and gas is getting 40. Let's see. Okay, so water and gas has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 30, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. Is that 163? $263. You guys, we're struggling today. I hope you can hear me too. I'm kind of being quiet because whatever, you get it. So I haven't taken this to the bank, but it's gonna get, oh god. Or no, is it not getting stuffed? Oh shit. Why would I do that to myself? This one always gets stuffed, and I'm gonna mess up the... I'm telling you guys, my head's not been right for the past couple days. Okay, apparently medical's not getting stuffed. Car... Ugh, my eye. Car is getting 55. I've long surpassed this. I need to clean it off again. Excuse my throat squeaking. Okay, so we're doing 55 in car. Okay, so we're gonna add this in after. We got 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. So that's 582. Plus... Okay. So we've got 582 plus the about 575 in my high yield savings account. So we're at approximately that much for car. I feel like I need to update this though right now. Let's go figure out for sure what car is at. I did add what was in my savings challenge box to my envelope, my car envelope. 577.20 plus so we're actually at this much for car. $1,159.20. Oh, you know what? On 9. The 9th of November was my birthday, and my cousin sent me $25, which I'm also putting towards my car. So that is where that came from. And that's what brings the balance. Okay. Okay. Y'all, I'm dripping sweat. So I actually need to take that all to the bank. I'm not going to wipe this off right now because I don't want to deal with it. Ugh. Okay, and then the next one that was getting stuffed. Oh my gosh. I had to flip this over. Look at that. Y'all, this video is all over the place. I'm so sorry about it. The next one that was getting stuffed was student loans because I had not stuffed it in a while. And student loans is getting 50. Why do I have so much money left over? This is $90. I think I took out way too much money. Hang on, let me do some math here. I took out way too much money. Yep, like $90. First of all, I budgeted this out on my phone because I wasn't at home and I waited way too long to do it, so I didn't have my budget sheets. Where did I get? Oh my god. And it's too late for me to go to the bank now. But this needs to go back into my checking account or I'm not gonna have money for a bill. Okay, that's cool. I do not know where I got that from. Okay, anyways. Okay, so student loans should have 418. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, this video was a train wreck. I'm telling you though, guys, I am off. I am so off. Okay, that's all we were stuffing today. None in the low priority. Oh dear. There we go. That's all I have for today. I cannot believe this. Why did I do this? There was only 110 in my cash breakdown. Why did I get out 10 of them? Anyways, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below and use my fetch referral code if you're feeling funky and fresh. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.